Good day everyone, I'm Eugen Menard Picasila to discuss about deterministic PDAs or push-down automata. First, we have a recall. A push-down automaton M is a system composed of Q, finite set of states, delta, inputs alphabet, T, stack alphabet, Q0, initial state, Z0, start symbol, F, final states, and sigma is the transition. Definition of deterministic PDA. Thus we define a PDA P equals the 7 tuple to be deterministic if and only if the following conditions are met. First, sigma Q alpha X has at most one member for any Q in Q, alpha in delta or alpha equals MT, and X in T. Number 2, if sigma Q alpha X is non-empty for some A in delta, then sigma Q empty X must be empty. This is an example of deterministic push-down automata with the input 001100. As you can see, it has initial state and acceptance state. The 001100 input will have two choices. It will go push down or empty. Condition 1 prevents the possibility of a choice between a move independent of the input symbol, empty move, and a move involving an input symbol. Condition 2 prevents a choice of move for any Q alpha Z or Q MDZ. Note that unlike the finite automaton, a PDA is assumed to be non-deterministic unless we state otherwise. For finite automata, deterministic and non-deterministic models were equivalent with respect to the languages accepted. The same is not true for PDA. In fact, WW star is accepted by a non-deterministic PDA, but not by any deterministic PDA. Push-down automata, Lesson 5.3. We shall now prove the fundamental result that the class of languages accepted by PDAs is precisely the class of context-free languages. We first show that the languages accepted by PDAs by final state are exactly the languages accepted by PDAs by empty stack. We then show that the languages accepted by empty stack are exactly the context-free languages. Equivalence of acceptance by final state and empty stack. This theorem states that if there is a PDA M1 which accepts the language L by empty stack, then the same language L is accepted by some PDA M2 by final state. Now, let us prove this theorem. Suppose there is a PDA M1 which accepts the language L by empty stack. Now, this M1 is described 7 tuple. M1 doesn't have any final state. Q1 is its initial state. Z1 is its stack start symbol of M1. Delta 1 is its transition function, and Q1 is the set of all states of PDA M1. Now, we have to construct a PDA M2 that accepts the sum or the same language L by final state. Now, M2 is defined by this 7 tuple. M2 will contain all states of M1 and two other states, Q0 and QF. This Q0 is the initial state of M2, and QF is the final state of M2. M2 contains all stack symbols of M1 and one more stack symbol Z2, which is the stack symbol of M2. Input symbols remain same input M1 and M2. Now, let us look on the conditions of PDA M2. Now, there is an empty move in M2. By page, M2 jumps from its initial configuration to the initial configuration of PDA M1 without adding input symbol. Then, all transitions of M1 are included in M2. Now, suppose there is a string W which is accepted by PDA M1. Then, what would happen? From PDA M2, we'll read this string W. First of all, PDA M2 will jump to the initial configuration of M1 from its initial configuration without carrying adding input symbols. Now, this string W is accepted by PDA M1, so on carrying this string M1 empties its stack since all conditions of M1 are included in M2. M2 will reach in their configuration the second statement. After reading all symbols of string W during the second statement, Q is some state of full M2 which is also in M1. Now, see, we have added condition in M2 for all states Q of M2 which are also in M1. We have added this type of condition for all states Q of M2 which are also in M1. And PDA M2, we have added this type of condition, the last one. So, after this fourth condition, M2 look at the second statement will jump to its final state. From second statement, because we have added the fourth condition in M2, for all states Q of M2, which are also in M1, so what would happen? In the third statement, M2 will jump to its final state, so the string W will also be accepted by PDA M2. M2 will accept this string W by final state, so PDA M2 will accept the language L by final state, which is accepted by M1 by empty stack. So, that's all for today. Thanks for watching.